welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to do a makeup tutorial just on this bomb ass makeup look that I've been doing recently, and I've been obsessed with it. So I've been rocking this look ever since I got this Kylie Cosmetics Under the Sea palette, and I just can't stop wearing it. I feel like it's just super sexy and sultry, especially for summertime. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have oily skin, but I am kind of over mattifying foundations. I know, that's crazy, right? But I don't know what it is in the summer. I think it's just because I'm like really hot and just extra oily that when I wear mattifying products, it just does not look cute, especially around my nose area and right here. It's just not been working out lately for me. So I am using a foundation that I got from a brand called Wonder Beauty, and I've been obsessed with it. It's like a more luminous, natural finish. So I'm gonna show you guys a step-by-step tutorial. I haven't even done my brows yet. Please excuse the pimples. It is almost that time of the month. If I'm not starting my period today, it's gonna come tomorrow. Yeah. So I've already moisturized my skin after I washed it, and I'm gonna start by priming it with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. I think it's just so amazing no matter what skin type you have. I do have a problem with makeup staying put around my nose, and this primer just makes any foundation just really stick there, and I've been obsessed with it. Okay, I'm gonna start with doing my brows. So I start off by combing my eyebrows up, and then I go in with Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Now to clean up the brows, I take a little bit of concealer and I put it on the back of my hand. And then I take this MAC 212 brush, put a little bit of the product on it, not too much, and then clean those brows up. Then I take the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. This brow gel is life. It's the fucking bomb, and I like big, bushy ass eyebrows, so this makes them just bushy and big. I like to focus it more on the front of my brow just because it kind of separates those hairs and just makes it look more dimensional and just super fluffy. So for this eyeshadow look, it's really simple. If you don't have the Kylie Under the Sea palette, you can pretty much use just the same tones that I'm using. I'm just gonna go in with this color called My Treasure on a Morphe M441 brush. So I'm gonna take the shade in windshield wiper motions across the whole eye and really buff it out so it's nice and smoky, seamless, and just a nice wash of color. Then after you've built up the color as much as you'd like, just really go in and buff that shit out. Now for the fun part, the shimmer. And in this palette, I'm going to use Salty Sweet. It's like a rosy kind of gold shimmer shade. I'm going to be using my finger, which is kind of hard for me right now because my nails are long AF. And yes, these are my real nails. I'm like super proud of them. Like, look at them. So on my finger, I'm taking the shadow and just putting it pretty much all over the lower lid and a little bit into the crease. Now, because we have to be glowing to the gods, I'm going to be adding this Kylie Shimmer Eye Glaze in Naked Swim. Oh, Night Swim. This product is sort of weird, but maybe if my fingers weren't long as fuck, like it'd be easier to do. So I pretty much just scrape it with my finger and then take my fingernail and just put it on the eye and then blend it out. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. It makes your eye almost look wet. I was rocking this look without any liner, just mascara, but the other day I tried out this greenish kind of khaki eyeliner from Oozy Eye Opening Liner. It's from a new brand, so I will link them down below if you guys are interested in that, but I'm sure you can find a khaki colored eyeliner or even like a light brown would be super dope too with this look. I'm just gonna create like a little baby wing. I don't know if I'm gonna do lashes yet, but I'm just going to put on some mascara and then kind of fill it out. So I'm using, as usual, L'Oreal Telescopic is my baby favorite of all time. For foundation, I'm using by Wonder Beauty. It's a Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in the shade Light Medium. So it is a natural finish foundation, not matte, I know. And I'm gonna be blending out using this e.l.f. Total Body Face Sponge, I believe it's called. This sponge, you need it in your life. It's like $5, bomb.com. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Buff Beige. Because I am a makeup junkie, I do like to purchase makeup and I do get some makeup sent to me. So head over to my blog if you guys are interested in makeup reviews, and this CoverGirl one will be on there shortly, but I'm gonna use it again today on camera just so you can see how it performs as well. The applicator is a nice big doe foot. It reminds me a lot of Tarte Shape Tape. So let's conceal. I'm gonna add a little bit more color into my face using this Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation Stick, and I'm going to use the contour shade. I've been obsessed with using this cream contour just because it makes my skin not as matte from when I use like a powder bronzer, and just I've been using too many powders and I've just been really digging this like naturally glowy skin look. It's bomb. Now for a little extra bronzy shimmer, I'm gonna be using Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Blush in Blurred Buff. Then one last cream product before we set everything with powders. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in Perla. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand, blend it out, and then just dab it on my skin. The great thing about using cream products before you set anything with powders is you can really just blend it all in, let it melt into the skin, and I've just been really liking this look. It's just so natural and just, I feel like my skin just looks healthy. Now using the Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder, I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, my T-zone, and that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna dust a lot of it off because I don't want too much powder. Now I'm gonna take Tarte Park Avenue Princess and just set that bronzer just a little bit, not too much. And for a little bit of color, I'm going to take another Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Blush in Coral Cloud. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for the ultimate glow? This shit right here, I'm kidding. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Glow, and it is heaven. I also have the brush that you use to apply it. I love this brush because just look at this shape. It just fits perfectly to like give you the ultimate glow. Like watch, just watch. But it's just so subtle and natural looking. I just love this powder. And then I'm just going crazy with this, actually. To finish up the eyes, I'm gonna take that same color that we used for our eyes and just sweep it across my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take that same shimmer shade as well and pop it in the inner corners of my eye. Throw on some mascara. So I went ahead and threw some lashes on because I felt like they just completed this look completely. And you don't have to if you don't want to, but your girl wanted to be extra. So the last thing to finish this look off is the lips, and you could go either way with this look because the eyes are just so simple. You could do a bold lip, which I was thinking of doing, or you could do like a nudie lip, which that's what I'm gonna go for. So I am going to use this Kylie Cosmetics lip blush in Bikini Bod. And I am really loving this formulation of the new lip blushes she came out with. This does dry down to a matte finish, but it's really comfortable. Love this formula. My favorite though from her are the Velvet Matte liquid lipsticks. Those, bomb. Because this is a glowy, summery, sultry look, we are gonna add a gloss. So this gloss is called Glass Lip, and it's with I Love Sarah E times Colourpop, and it's ultra glossy lip. I love this lip gloss. It smells so good too. Now to lock everything in place so I'm not a hot friggin' mess in a couple hours, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I just threw my hair up in a ponytail because it is getting hot in here. With my lights on, I can't have my ceiling fan on because it makes this like tick, 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 tick. I am obsessed with this makeup look lately. Like I said, I've been wearing it pretty much every time I do my makeup, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. A few of you guys hit me up on IG saying you wanted a tutorial on this look, so here you go. I love how this can be used for pretty much all skin types. I do have oily skin, so So this has been working for me. All I have to do when I get a little shiny is put a little bit of translucent powder on my T-zone and I am good to go. But the glow just keeps on glowing because once those oils come out, we're shining. Please leave me a comment below with your guys' favorite foundations that are more of a natural finish because I would like to try other ones out. I am really digging the natural finish foundations, and I don't know, maybe use the matte foundations for when I know I need to have my makeup on all day long. But I don't know, I've just not been feeling matte foundations lately. So let me know what your guys' favorites are so I can check them out. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below if you guys have a YouTube channel. I'd love to check yours out as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies. Churro, come here. Get out there, come here. He's a little shit right now. Churro, Churro. This fucking cat, dude. Ow! Churro! Churro, you little shit! Churro! You guys want to meet him? He's fucking crazy right now. Oh, say hi to everyone. Say hi. I'm Churro and I'm crazy. Ah!